Okay, guys, so I think it's the time to complete. Now we are in question number 6. Question number 6 in the same page is saying, check it. There is one mistake in each sentence. Find it and correct it. What about sentence number 1? Please read the sentence and tell me the mistake.
He speaks.
He speaks. Thank you so
He
much because
speaks.
yes, it is in the simple present. I have to add s with he, she, it. Okay, now sentence number 2.
Doctor, I think there's one more mistake.
Without S.
Can you tell me?
The comma between Canada and.
Comes from and he speaks French and English. Yes, exactly. So, thank you so much. This is a conjunction, so I have to write a comma. Yeah, that's amazing. What about sentence number 2?
Subject without the S.
Which subject
Was
or
subject
subject Susan is studying
was subject with an R.
At the
Your-
university.
at the
Which
university?
subjects is Susan studying at university?
Which, thank you so much, Rashid. This is
S should be before
this is a
between.
question. Absolutely, I have to mention the verb, then the subject. So, which subjects is Susan
Susan.
studying? Thank you so much. So please be careful about asking questions in English because I have to mention the verb in WH questions. Then I have to mention the subject. Okay, now 3. What do you think? Where is the one grammatical or one mistake?
Doctor,
Yes,
is
I
it?
do.
Yes, I like it.
do. No.
Yes, I do.
This is yes and no question. So I
Do.
have to stick
Mhm.
with the verb that is used with the auxiliary. So I have to say yes,
So
I do.
like isn't a verb here?
Like is the main verb, Rashid. Do is the auxiliary. Okay? In answering
Yes.
the yes and no question, I have to stick with the auxiliary.
Yes.
If I don't have any auxiliaries in the yes and no question, I have to use do, does, did.
Yes.
Now 4. Did you watch the match last night? Did you watch, sorry, the match?
Did you watch?
Did you watch?
Yeah, thank you so much. This is the auxiliary, which is did, that is mentioned in the simple past. I cannot repeat by adding the ed to the main verb exactly. Number 5. What does your parents do at the weekend?
What do your parents do?
Bravo. What do your parents do? This is plural, exactly. This is the mistake. Okay, 6. I think is going to rain.
I think it is going
Oh, bravo.
to.
I have to mention it because it
An
refers.
auxiliary.
It is the auxiliary. It is a pronoun, subject pronoun. But
Subject pronoun.
but I have to mention it. Why? To refer to the weather, guys. It is like I'm saying, I think the weather is going to rain. So
Yes, it is. It is the subject.
it is yes.
It is the subject.
Yeah, just to mention the weather exactly. Someone is coming. Let me. Saria is coming. Okay, now let's check the sentence number 7. What was you talking to the teacher about?
What was your
What was
teacher?
you talking?
What?
يلا كمان راشد.
Yes.
What were you? Were instead of
Yes.
was.
Thank you so much. I cannot say what was you. What were you talking to the teacher about? Guys, it is like saying, what are you talking about? So, what were you talking? This is the past continuous Because I have you, I have to use were, but not was. Finally, I don't think John's arrived yet.
What did it say?
First, apostrophe S is wrong.
Apostrophe S is wrong. What should I do, Hanadi?
We should correct the verb arrive.
Well, okay, we should correct the verb arrive. What should we do?
Until.
Until? No, I have the time or the keyword, which is yet.
We can say, I don't think John arrives yet.
Nope.
Arrived, EDD.
Yes.
Has
Thank
arrived
you.
yet?
Arrived. This is the present perfect. Guys, the apostrophe S is the abbreviation of has.
Okay.
Please. So I don't think that John has arrived yet.
Yeah.
This is the present perfect. Be careful. The yet, guys, is the keyword of the present perfect, because if you remember, when discussed the present perfect, we said that yet just already are keywords or time markers about the present perfect. Okay?